Well, hello everybody. Well, today is Monday, April 8th, 2024. Once in a lifetime event happening. The total eclipse. And we are in South Texas, 100% viewing area with what looks like could be Debbie Downer Mother Nature with 100% cloud coverage. We're going out to Seaworld of Texas, and we're going to see what's going on there. They're having a special event, and we're going to head out there. Hopefully we can maybe ride a ride or two, see what's going on. I don't know, something we've never done before. I don't think they've ever done anything like this before. This is just one of those things. We got people coming from all around the world and in the state, getting in line with San Antonio, going up through Kerrville Comfort, all the way up through, I think, DFW area, all the way up through the United States. So we are down here in South Texas, but it looks like we have, we might have some low-hanging clouds, and things aren't looking good for us. But hey, we're going to go out there. We're going to take a chance. We're going to see what happens. Why don't you come with us? See you there. All right, let's play ball. All right, so we're here at Seaworld now, and I'm telling you, the weather's not looking like it's going to be very conclusive for an eclipse. As you can see, it's kind of dark out here. Let's take a look upstairs here. But you know, I'm telling you, South Texas, man, it could bust through. We still got well, it's 11 o'clock, so we got 2.5 hours till it comes through. So if anything, it'll get dark, but I think the clouds are gonna probably be around. I can see a break right there. Over there, it looks kind of nefarious, but they're calling from rain later today, but I don't know. We'll see. We're back at Seaworld of Texas. It's April 8th, 2024, for a special event Seaworld's having for the eclipse party that they're having here. It's a 5-hour event. It's $29.95 to get in, or if you're a season pass holder like we are, you get in. Well, you just get in. So we're looking forward. Seaworld's a clean park. Sure, not much has changed in the last week, because we were here a couple of weeks ago for Aquatica opening weekend. So there we go. All right, so now we're in the park, and look at the line to get into Seaworld. So we're gonna go into Seaworld. This is the line over here. You're gonna do what?
I'm gonna go to guest services now.
See if we got something there?
Yeah, freebies. See if we got freebies.
Okay. I don't see no one at guest services. We'll see. So there are quite a few people in line here to get into Seaworld of Texas in San Antonio. Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree. Go. Seaworld in San Antonio, Texas, of course. I don't know where my wife's at. So this is what a rope drop looks like at Seaworld of Texas. It's not too bad. Actually, there's more people here. It just opened probably about 11:05 now. It just opened at 11. So apparently we get more than we thought. All right, the grandest entrance there's been at Seaworld yet for us. Of course, we never rope dropped it here yet. But yeah, we got some people here today, ladies and gentlemen. We got a lot of people from out of state. A lot of people from out of state. We were in line. We had cars from all the way up Colorado, Utah, all around, Oklahoma, Arizona. I saw license plates from all over. So if you're from out of town, welcome to San Antonio, Texas, Seaworld of Texas. Once in a lifetime event. Well, for most of us anyways. Total eclipse, but it's not looking like not looking like we're gonna get much of an eclipse. All right, well, we got a good rush of people here. Everybody's just coming in, going to the back of the park. I got a good idea where I want to be, but we got a long while till showtime. What do we kind of got? I got 11:12 Central Time, and I gotta tell you, it's not looking very promising at 11:12. But we still got 3 hours, 2 hours. 2 hours and 15 minutes, so it's not looking too good. Man, I can't forget to put my ND filter on if it gets sunny. I'm feeling like it wants to break, man. There goes the Steel Ill. Go. The Steel Ill on total eclipse Monday, and it don't look like we're gonna get much of an eclipse right now, does it? The sun's over here, so I was planning on getting back up over here, trying to get it underneath one of these coasters. Great whites over there. That was the plan, Stan. Got the Elmo, what looks like a popcorn bucket, I guess. You got Orca Shamu one, and you got this one. If you want to ride Wave Breaker, it's open from 11:4 today. This is what the seats look like. You can test them. Unfortunately, guys, I've been having troubles with my back so much lately that I'm not even going to attempt to get on any sort of ride that bangs me around. Because I got a Disney cruise to get on here in another couple of weeks, and I don't want to blow it. Something's cooking. Let's go into this store. I don't think I've ever been in here. Let's go look in here. This is the Seaworld Rescue Store. Little kids. I don't know if we're gonna make that turn or not, man. We're gonna try. I think we got it. Oh yeah, barely made it. How about that? This is the little game area. We've never done this over here. Since I've been here. I've been in here years ago. Keep it up. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it certainly is a big day at SeaWorld of Texas. There's not a lot of kids here, which is good because most of them are in school in San Antonio. They used to have a frog toss over here or something. That's not here no more. Used to be right here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you out at Seaworld of Texas, April 8th, 2024, once in a lifetime event, total eclipse. Clouds are looking ominous, but man, I'm seeing the breaks up there, guys. I'm feeling like we might be able to see something. So I'm feeling pretty good about that. And there they go. Well, I wish I could ride that, man. My back's so jacked. I don't know. I don't want to risk nothing. Can't risk it.
There's a big one down there. Another one right there.
Two big sea turtles. It's a nice little. We're hoping for the best, but expecting the worst, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the skies. You can see they're not looking very promising for an eclipse event viewing. Bummer. But we kind of expected this to be the case. Coming up to this last week, they said we could probably expect a little cloud cover, and it's kind of what we got here. You know, the sun's been trying to bust through, but she's just not. She just doesn't have it in her, man. She just doesn't have it in her. So we got a little bit of it going on here. You see.
Here with a countdown to the eclipse. Well, the surface of the sun is about 9,940 degrees. The corona is about 1.8 million degrees.
Babe, do me a okay, now I can definitely feel it's getting darker. I feel like it wants to rain. But it's definitely, she says we're at 75% coverage right now. So I can feel it's getting darker. Big time. It should get almost pitch black out here, like the middle of the night. I would imagine. I'm having a hard time focusing. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is just not going to happen. We are just not going to see this thing. I can guarantee you that. There's just no way it's going to bust through now. But we're going to get total darkness. So, oh well, hey, we tried. Because, I mean, there's more clouds now than there was all morning. Wind feels like it's picking up a little bit. Definitely getting darker. No doubt about that. Take another look up there.
Run to the bathroom real quick. I'll probably miss it.
Not only is it getting darker, it's getting cooler too. Temperature's probably dropped about 3 or 4 degrees. I guess that's to be expected though, right? So the sun goes away. Well, That's where she's at. You're not gonna be able to see it because, I mean, there's just too much cloud cover. I could see the cloud cover over there, but and that might have been because of the eclipse. But who knows? There's where the sun's at, up there somewhere. Oh well. Buzzkill Bob showed up. Spoiled the party. They're gonna bring riding that coaster here now. Definitely getting darker, guys. Here they come. Well, if we were hoping to see the eclipse, I don't think it's going to happen. I really don't think it's going to be in the cards for us. No doubt. But we do get to feel it get dark, and it is getting dark. It feels like it's getting dark, like at nighttime. Everybody's laying on the ground out here. Got the great white running over here. Just trying to get a good view, but bad news, man. It may happen. I had to move because there was like a whole pack of gnats, hundreds of them. They were in front of me. About 5 feet in front of me. I could see them if they're flying around. I wonder what that was about.
Update.
5 minutes from totality, guys.
Managed to spot the sun through the clouds. You'll still need to use your eclipse glasses right now. So the moon is obscuring over 90% of the sun right now. You've probably seen that it's getting darker, and that is due to the eclipse. That's not just the clouds. We should experience nighttime here shortly. So the moon's umbra right now is still over Mexico, and at about 1:28, they're going to have totality in Eagle Pass, Texas. So the Parker Solar Pro is the first spacecraft to fly through the sun's corona, which is the closest to it.
Well, guys.
The spacecraft uses Venus through multiple flybys to get closer and closer to the sun during 24 orbits. It's already completed 19 of these orbits now, and its 3 closest passes will happen starting December 24th of this year. The spacecraft is designed to withstand 2,500 degree Fahrenheit temperatures during these passes, and its distance from the sun at that closest approach will be only 4% of Earth's distance from the sun. So remember to find a viewing location. We'll have totality here soon.
All right. It is definitely getting darker now. I mean, I can definitely feel it. Well, that's big time bummer that we don't get to see it, guys, but we get to feel it. Temperatures dropped about a couple of degrees for sure. Wind has slowed down quite a bit. Because it was a little windier here earlier. As you can see, these trees here, they're not moving too much. Okay, let me see what time we got here, guys. We got 1:29. Could be riding a coaster.
Not a whole lot of people on the coaster.
Definitely getting darker. Everybody's just relaxing. In this little area here I thought I'd come out here and try to get the coasters in the way, but man, the sun is directly up above us. Oh, I just felt it just get darker and darker just now. You can see the lights now, guys. It's 1:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, South Texas, Seaworld.
Alright, we are now 2 minutes from totality.
2 minutes from totality,
There's
guys.
not much sun to be seen, but
Oh, I
if
just
it
felt
comes
it get
out,
darker.
use your Eclipse glasses. The sun is 98% obscured right now.
98% obscured.
The umbra, the deepest part of the shadow, is over Uvalde, and they are experiencing totality right now.
Uvalde is experiencing totality,
if the sun does
and they are about 90 miles from
get ready
here.
to watch for Bailey's beads at the edge.
All right, I took the UV filter off and get a little bit more light in here. 'Cause boy, I'll tell you what, it feels like it's about nighttime. It feels like 8 o'clock at night.
Don't get scared, guys.
Can't even focus, guys.
40 seconds away from the start of totality. Notice the birds might stop chirping as we experience nighttime here.
Wow, how dark it is, man. 20 seconds to totality, guys.
We're getting like the last 1%. And now we're in totality.
Here we are.
Directly over us.
Once in a lifetime event, guys.
2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Once in a lifetime event. Well, for me anyways. Because I won't be alive the next time this one happens. She said she'd be 100-something years old. I don't think I'm going to live that long. So, hey, if you're watching this vlog, welcome to my first and last. Oh no, look how dark it is out here. Man. It's crazy how that happened like that. Everybody got all quiet, guys. Nobody's even talking. You see the still row. Wow. Great whites over there. The camera's in nighttime mode. Feels like we're coming out of it now. Feels like it's lighting up. That was incredible. I mean, it was like midnight out here.
Yeah, it's starting to lighten up.
Feels it, right? You can feel it starting to lighten. You can feel it coming, the light coming back. It's crazy how dark it got. But they even turned off the lights over there. when it happened.
Alright, I'm sure you noticed the sky lightning. We are now out of totality. So I hope you had an interesting experience. That was pretty cool. We noticed here that the birds stopped chirping. We could hear a little bit of bat noise, bat activity going on. Yeah, very interesting experience.
Yeah, here comes the sun. Oh, here comes the light now. Look how much light, how much more light there is out here, guys. That was crazy. Well, there you have it. Total tonality in South Texas, San Antonio at Seaworld. We came out here to celebrate it, and unfortunately, Mother Nature didn't cooperate and didn't give us any clear skies and didn't even give us a view of the sun. We did get a few little glimpses of it here and there, but we just didn't get it once the sun went behind the moon. That was it. The clouds were going to win over, and they did. And as you can see, it's starting to lighten back up out here. That was quite an event. Once in a lifetime thing. Some of the United States didn't even get to feel it. Nope. But we sure did. It went dark. It was like pitch black. It was cool. We're probably about 75% now. There you go. The total eclipse. Yeah.
The next total solar eclipse is in 2026.
2026.
Greenland, Iceland, Portugal, and Spain.
Yeah, Greenland, Iceland, Portugal, 2026.
There's a total eclipse in Alaska in 2033, and one across Montana and north and South Dakota in 2044.
There you go.
So, if you want to try to
2044. I don't know if we'll make that. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace.